Today we are making creamy Cajun chicken and sausage pasta today. Here are our ingredients. We have chicken and sausage. Then we have garlic, chicken broth, heavy cream, Cajun season, paprika, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese, and sea salt. And you want about 8 ounces of panini pasta. So what you want to do is you want to boil your noodles before you start cooking everything. And right here I'm showing you that I'm putting some salt in the water. And I'm going to bring it to a rolling boil, and I'm going to let that boil for a few minutes. And then we're going to move on to cooking our chicken and our sausage. Right here I'm just stirring. So you put a little butter in the pan, or oil, whatever you choose to do. And right here I'm adding the chicken to the pan, and I'm going to brown the chicken on both sides. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, which this is Cajun seasoning. Whatever Cajun seasoning you have in your cabinet is not Pacific. Whatever you have. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Right here I'm just moving it around in the pan. Now everything is good and golden, and now I'm gonna take it out the pan, and I'm gonna start cooking the sausage next. You just want to put it in a bowl and put it to the side. Here's the sausage. We're just going to brown that on both sides. Okay, so our sausage is cooked, finally, and both sides are nice and brown. We are going to move on to our sauce. Okay, so here I'm adding some garlic. We're going to brown that for a little while. you know, get the aroma smelling real good. And we have some butter in the pan. I had it up a little bit too high, so I had to turn it down a little bit. So now we're adding in our chicken stock. Soy sauce. Our heavy whipping cream. And then we're just going to stir that all together. Some salt and pepper. Paprika or cayenne. Some garlic powder. And then some more Cajun seasoning. We're going to stir all that together, get the little brown bits off the bottom of the pan from cooking the garlic. And then we're going to add some cheese here in a moment. And then we're going to stir all that together and get everything nice and creamy. So we're adding our cheese in here. That's Parmesan cheese. We're adding some more cheese. We're just stirring it in, getting our cheese incorporated into our sauce. We're just gonna mix all that together. We're gonna bring that to a boil. Let the sauce get thick. So I'm just stirring around the Parmesan cheese and with the sauce. So now everything is kind of incorporated. I'm going to add back my sausage and my chicken. Now we're gonna add our noodles back, our panini pasta. Then we're just gonna incorporate everything, let everything come to a boil, and let the sauce get thick. Right here, I'm just making sure the sauce covers everything. All the pasta, all the chicken, all the sausage. Mixing it real good. The sauce has thickened up. And everything is saucy. And right here, everything is done. I want to thank you for tuning in to Baby We Eat. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. And please come back soon and see our next recipes. Thank you and goodbye.